Farming began many years ago with hands and simple tools. Knowledge was passed down through families. Life was hard for early farmers, often depending on luck and good weather. The plow and animals like oxen made farming easier. Villages and towns grew bigger, but farming was still tough. The mechanical revolution brought machines like tractors. New fertilizers and pesticides boosted food production. Today, technology is transforming farming again. We call this smart farming or precision agriculture. AI, sensors and drones help farmers make smart choices. This is how we will grow food tomorrow. It is an exciting time for agriculture. Traditional farmers face many challenges. Weather is a major problem. Droughts, floods, and frost can ruin crops. Pests and diseases are constant worries. Tiny insects and plant diseases can destroy fields. Weeds steal nutrients from crops. Soil health declines over time, reducing yields. Managing water is extremely hard. Too much or too little water can harm plants. Finding enough skilled workers is difficult. Traditional farming needs many people, making it expensive. Farmers also struggle with market prices. Selling crops for a fair price is hard. AI-driven sensors act like tiny doctors for the soil. Placed in the ground, they collect important data. They measure soil moisture, nutrients, and temperature. This data helps grow healthy plants. AI programs analyze the data to find patterns. They can warn if soil needs water or nutrients. This technology helps farmers be precise. They use resources better, saving water and fertilizer. It protects the environment from overuse. Smart sensors provide key information quickly. Farmers can act fast to help plants. This means healthier plants and bigger harvests. Drones are fantastic tools for modern farms. They fly high above fields, carrying cameras and sensors. Drones check large areas quickly, giving a bird's-eye view. Special cameras spot early signs of plant sickness and insect attacks. AI analyzes drone images to create detailed field maps. These maps show crop health and problem spots. Farmers can see where help is needed urgently. Drones make fixing problems easier and faster. They can also spray crops precisely, saving money and being eco-friendly. Using AI sensors and drones brings many benefits. A key benefit is saving water. Sensors tell farmers the right time and place to water. This conserves precious resources. Healthy plants produce more food. AI and drones keep plants healthy by providing the right nutrients and water. They help fight pests and diseases early. Farmers can harvest more from the same land. This helps feed the growing world population. Farmers save money by using less water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Drones reduce labor costs by doing jobs that needed many workers. Real stories from farmers show this tech works. One farmer cut water use by nearly 1/3 and increased crop yield by 15%. Another farmer saved his cotton crop by detecting pests early. The future of farming is smart and bright. Embracing this tech is the best way forward for better farming.